Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ang tahimik nyo. Of course, thank you very much. I'm so happy to be here. And of course, masaya-masaya po ako na I am still part of the Hyundai family. It's my pleasure to perform for all of you tonight and to celebrate my anniversary with you. Maraming salamat po. Happy anniversary, my Hyundai family. I am a proud endorser. So proud. And I'm honored to be part of a brand that represents progress and innovation. Kaya po ako'y talagang blessed to be part of this family. Thank you.
Ate Sara, of course, again, congratulations on being part again of the Hyundai family. And before we let you go, Ate, meron po tayong gift from Hyundai. So we would like to now call on our President, Mr. Jiho Son, and our Managing Director, Mr. Cecil Capacete. Meron po silang itong gift for you, Ate Sara.
Salamat.
Yes. Again, AGC, let's give it up for our pop star royalty, Sara Geronimo! There you go. Alright, let's have a quick photo op. Yan. Again, one of our Hyundai brand ambassadors, pop star royalty, Sara Geronimo. Napakaganda, grabe talaga yung performance niya. Popstars, masaya ba kayo? Yes. I love it. Thank you so much, Mr. Jiho Son, and also Mr. Cecil Capacete. Ayan. Okay, one last, of course, short interview kay Ate Sara.
Yes.
Ate Sara, alam ko na yung favorite car mo is the Hyundai Staria.
Yes.
What is your favorite thing about it, Ate?
It's spacious, no? Very spacious and comfortable talaga yung interior niya. So ako po, medyo mahilig matulog. So every after an event, nakakatulog ako because it's really comfortable inside. At syempre, yung kanilang seat cooler and warmer, it's comforting at very useful. Di ba po? Minsan nga nalilito na ako sa dami ng features eh.
Very smart technology talaga.
Very smart technology. And of course, the sound system is impressive. Social! Hindi ko masabi yung brand eh, pero ganda talaga. Top-notch quality ng sound system.
O, diba guys? Narinig nyo yan from the popstar royalty herself, Hyundai Staria.
Hyundai Staria. I love Hyundai Staria.
Okay. Once again, PGC, let's give it up for our popstar royalty, Sara Geronimo!
Thank you so much! Happy anniversary, Hyundai! Thank you, Popstars. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Ate Sara. God bless. Starstruck talaga ako sa kanya. One of my idols, not only is she a performer, an actress, whole package, Sara Geronimo. Thank you so much to Hyundai for making this mini concert possible, for making